Hey everybody, guess what? Built another car. Today I'm going to show you an AMT 1962 Pontiac Catalina. Catalina. I don't know, for some reason it sounded weird coming out. Anyways, a Pontiac Catalina. So it's a super stock. This is a recent release here of the AMT car. It's very cool. So I built this kit before. I built an older release of it. You can build it to drag race or the super stock, or you can build it to stock version. I built the stock version on the last one. I know this is a great kit. I wanted to do something different, so I did the drag race. I was going to do it basically box stock. It comes with a few different front ends. Comes with racing tires, full set of stock tires, 3 or 4 different hubcap options. There's 2 interior of the seats to do the stock. I used the stock. And there was a couple engine options, and side pipes was also an option here too. So, keeping with this picture, I did something very, very similar, but not quite. So, let's show it to you. We'll move this here and show you what I got. All right. So, let me put the camera down here for a second, and let's just spin you around here. Alright, I first want to say this is an excellent kit. This kit goes together beautifully. Everything fits together wonderfully. I hit the car, not the table. Alright. So, let me tell you a little bit what I did. So, I originally started it off doing was going to do the paint scheme here, the drag race paint scheme. That was the plan. So, I got the interior all set up. Very nice. The underneath of the car, got the drag tires on there, right there. Everything goes together beautifully. I didn't want the straight through exhaust. What I did was I kind of cut the exhaust to kind of go off the sides here. Don't drop it. It's just to have, dump it out the sides there. Very nice. The engine goes together beautifully. Like I said, this is a beautiful kit. Absolutely beautiful kit. So, I put the standard front end on. Like I said, there's like 3 different versions of the front end. That's just the standard. Alright, so you're going to ask yourself why I weathered it or gave this really cool patina look. Well, I'll answer that for you. So what I did to paint, the spray paint, it was Tester's Extreme Lacquer, one of the reds. I did. I guess the day I did it, it was a little too humid. Paint came out very, very uneven. In fact, you could almost kind of see it on the hood here where a lot of the red just wasn't smooth. So I'm like, well, I'll weather it up a little bit. That way it kind of covers it up. Well, I only weathered not even a handful of cars. I only weathered like 2 or 3 cars before. And so I went to try this with, I did acrylic paints. I took black, browns, a gray, browns for like rust a little bit. That's kind of what I was trying to simulate on the front here. Lighter brown and the gray for like dust, and the black to just kind of highlight it. And I used an off red too to kind of make the paint not even. So that was all acrylic. So what I did was I just kind of smeared it. Just smeared it right on. That's all I did. Just smeared it. Take your finger, take a rag. Now, all my weathering jobs that I have done have been super heavy. I kind of just wanted to do a light weathering. But, like I said, it kind of was heavy, as you can see. So, I liked what it looked like, so I didn't, try to redo it. Obviously, I did it after the decals were on. I put the decals on first, and then did the weathering, clearly. So I kind of liked what it looked like, and I'm like, well, the interior is like perfect, the engine's perfect. So what I did was I just clear coated it with quick shine a few times. It's got me about 20 coats of quick shine on it. You can see the shine on it, and that gave it the little bit over the edge that I think it was looking for. So it's got that patinaed look going, and I think it looks pretty cool. Wasn't the original plan of the car, but that's what we got. And I think it's cool. Like I said, I just took the acrylic paints, watered them down, and just smeared it. That was it. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Show you the engine again, because I really like the engine on this car. My body sits a little high off the firewall there, but that's okay. It's even when you look at it. The body is even. So, I don't know if that's a kit issue or if that's was it my issue. So yeah, super happy with the way this came out. Kind of went to a plan B on doing it, but super happy with the way this came out, and I absolutely love it. I would love to do another one of these kits again, to do another stock version. Just because, man, just because. So, highly recommend kit. And this is my interpretation of it. And that's all I got. I recommend everyone buy this kit. Not to mention I really love Pontiac, so it's really cool for me. Alright everybody, don't forget to stick around here in a moment here. I will have a slideshow up of the car. You could ogle the car a little bit there again. Yeah, so that's all I got here. Like I said, highly recommend kit. I want to thank my subscribers. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I want to thank everyone watching the video who isn't subscribed. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to support my videos. All right. Well, if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. There's always a lot of cool videos going on this channel. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to write me. I love reading my comments, no matter how bad they are sometimes. All right, everybody. I'll leave it here. And wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you have a good one.